For centuries, people have wondered, are mediums made or are they just born that way? A groundbreaking study may have just found the answer, that it's in our DNA. So a few years ago, scientists went ahead and did a study, and they studied mediums and their non-mediumship relatives. And then once they did the study, they compared the genes inside the DNA with those mediums and those relatives. They actually did find a set of unique genetic differences between the family members. And these differences actually explain why mediums can go ahead and communicate with spirit, with those people on the other side. So what they found, there's 3 different findings. First of all, mediums have genetic differences that relate to sensory perception as well as immune function. The second finding is that the pineal gland, which is located in the brain, it's known as the third eye, is also affected by one of these genes. You've heard of the third eye. Think of the Eye of Horus over in Egypt. So many cultures go ahead and celebrate it. You've got India, you have Greece, you also have the church holding the pine cone. It goes back centuries and the different meanings behind the pine cone as well as the third eye. And really the third finding is that mediums process information differently. They see reality differently. Kind of like you have a lot of animals that can see different colors that we can't, like the dragonfly, or the dogs can go ahead and cats can go ahead and sense things and see things that many of us cannot. Mediums' brains, their finding is that they perceive reality in a different way, which allows them to be able to communicate and receive those vibrations and that energy from the other side. So what do you think? Is mediumship something you're born with? Or is it in their DNA? Do we listen to the science? For centuries, people have wondered, are mediums made or are they just born that way? A groundbreaking